Are you ready to discover the ultimate cheat code for going viral on YouTube Shorts? Look at these numbers. 20 million views, 19 million views, 17 million views. Channels like Dr. Data are completely dominating the algorithm right now with a brilliant and terrifying concept. Highly realistic 3D skeletons experiencing extreme survival scenarios. Today I'm going to peel back the curtain and show you the exact step-by-step system to create these exact viral masterpieces using nothing but AI. Grab your notepad because we are about to build a viral content engine from scratch. Step 1 is the hook. We need a concept that makes people stop scrolling instantly. We head straight into ChatGPT and open a custom tool called Skeleton Shorts Topic Generator created by Zaid Sohail R. We start a fresh chat and ask for ideas that match the viral channel we just analyzed. The AI immediately goes to work and spits out highly engaging, terrifying questions. How long until your liver shuts down? This much sugar can destroy your brain. How many all-nighters break your mind? We browse through the suggestions until we find the absolute perfect psychological hook for our video. Now for step 2, we need the secret weapon. We open our master Google document titled The Skeleton Chronicles Master Content Engine. This document contains a heavily engineered prompt structure. We copy the core identity section, which programs the AI to act as a fate weaver and visual architect. We take this massive prompt and jump into Google AI Studio using the powerful Gemini model. We paste our master prompt and feed it a terrifying scenario. What happens if you never drink water? The AI instantly generates a flawless script. It gives us the exact pacing, the intense hook, audio suggestions like ice clinking in a glass, and a brutal day-by-day breakdown of the human body shutting down. But we do not stop there. We test another concept. What happens if you stop blinking? Once again, Gemini delivers a chilling psychological script and incredibly detailed scene-by-scene visual prompts. But then we decide to take things to a whole new level of crazy. We pivot the entire concept and create the Saiyan experiment. We ask the AI to imagine what would happen if the world's strongest Saiyan raised you from birth. Gemini writes an epic narrative about our glass skeleton character surviving intense training alongside Goku. It writes the voiceover and generates the exact prompts we need for our storyboard. Step 3 is bringing our terrifying story to life with audio. We head over to ElevenLabs, which is the absolute best AI voice generator on the market. We paste our Saiyan script into the text box and select a deep, cinematic, authoritative voice. We tweak the settings to make the narration sound serious and dramatic. Once the AI generates the audio, we hit download, and our voiceover is locked in. Step 4 is where the magic happens. We need visuals. We take the highly specific image prompts Gemini gave us and open up Google Whisk, an incredible experimental AI image generator. We type in our prompt detailing a glass skeleton character wearing a torn orange martial arts gi standing next to a 3D anime character with spiky black hair on Kamal's lookout. Boom! Whisk generates absolute high-definition masterpieces. We repeat this process for every single scene in our script. The skeleton crawling in the high-gravity training room, Goku feeding our skeleton a glowing green senzu bean, the skeleton struggling under massive weight. We generate and download every single breathtaking image. Step 5 is turning these static images into a dynamic cinematic experience. We head over to Grok AI and use its brand new image to video generation feature. We upload our generated images and type a prompt asking Grok to add cinematic 3D animation. We specifically ask for natural wind movement in Goku's hair and the skeleton's belt. Grok works its magic and literally breathes life into our scenes, turning them into fluid, high-quality video clips. We process all our key scenes through Grok to get that premium animated feel. Step 6 is the masterclass in editing. We open CapCut PC and import our cinematic ElevenLabs voiceover alongside all our AI-generated images and Grok video animations. We drop the audio onto the timeline first to set the pace. Then we meticulously drag and drop every single visual clip onto the video track. We adjust the length of each clip so the visual cuts happen exactly on the beat of the voiceover. Now we need the viral touch. Captions. We use CapCut's auto caption feature to generate our subtitles automatically. Once they are generated, we select them all and apply a heavy dynamic style. We choose a thick, bold font and make the text bright yellow so it is impossible to ignore. We add a heavy black stroke and a drop shadow to make the words literally pop off the screen. We animate the text to appear word by word, ensuring that viewer retention stays sky high throughout the entire video. But a video is nothing without sound design. We open the Audio tab in CapCut and hunt down the perfect sound effects to build tension. We drop in a crisp bell sound for our opening hook to grab attention. We layer in heavy heartbeat sound effects during the intense gravity room training scenes. We add cinematic whooshes, wind noises, and heavy low hits on every major visual transition to make the video feel like a Hollywood movie trailer. We carefully balance the audio levels so the sound effects enhance the story without overpowering the narrator. Finally, we review our timeline. The glass skeleton looks phenomenal. The story is intense. The captions are dynamic. The sound design is punchy. Everything flows perfectly. We hit the export button, bump the resolution to crisp 1080p, ensure our frame rate is smooth, and render the final video. The last step is the easiest. We jump into our YouTube Studio dashboard, click Create, select our newly exported masterpiece, and upload it to the world. And that right there is the complete ultimate workflow to create highly engaging viral AI skeleton shorts from absolute scratch.
What if the world's strongest Saiyan raised you from birth? Day 1, you aren't learning to walk. You're crawling in 10 times Earth's gravity. Your glass bones crack instantly under the pressure. But Goku feeds you a Senzu bean, and your skeleton knits back together in seconds, becoming denser than diamond. By year 5, your toys are mountain-sized boulders, and your school is the hyperbolic time chamber, where one day is a year of physical torture. Your nervous system isn't just firing, it's glowing with raw chi, turning your veins into blue lightning. By year 15, your training clothes are so heavy they would crater a city, but you move like a blur of light. Your heart doesn't beat, it vibrates at the frequency of a supernova. You've evolved beyond humanity, possessing a power level that defies physics, but you've lost the ability to live in a normal world. One accidental high five would turn a human friend into dust. Is becoming a Saiyan worth losing your humanity? Tell us who should train the oxyoskeleton next in the comments.